Alright, about to go into another weekend. It's 7:37 northbound here on March 10th. Check them out. 3829 and the brand new rebuild of 3323. This is my third C6M rebuild already. Holy cow! I cannot believe it. Didn't expect 3323 to be on there. I'll take that. M345. Yeah, that's crazy. I didn't expect to see my third C6M rebuild already, but I will take that. New CP green hoppers in there too. Later on this morning we will have the business train come southbound. That will have a C6M rebuild to lead it. That'll be the 3309, because it led on yesterday's P903. So it'll be coming down from the Twin Ports. Here is the last of 345. Arkansas, Oklahoma, 608.51. What a pass and what a catch of the 345. And we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time, and I'll see you down the main line. Tyler Hayes out.